talk here, or do you want to go in the side room?
No, I'm happy to talk here.
Okay. All right, so it's a final intervention order from the Latrobe Court.
Okay, that's the named entity there.
Yep, and that's who it's made out to be.
Okay, so you're welcome to keep this copy.
I don't know, I won't keep it.
Okay, so that is the copy of the birth certificate.
Mm-hmm.
This is a copy of my ownership of that fictitious name.
Yep.
So therefore, if you wish to serve the order on that paper, you're welcome to go ahead.
All right. So this is the final order made on the 12th of April 2021. And the court made the following order against you.
No, not against me.
Well, against this entity.
Against that named entity, yep.
So if you do not obey all these conditions below, it is a crime and you may be arrested and charged. The court orders that the respondent must not commit family violence against a protected person. Note the Family Violence Protection Act 2008 defines family violence as behaviour by a person towards a family member of that person that is physically or sexually abusive, emotionally or psychologically abusive, economically abusive, threatening, coercive, or any other way controls or dominates a family member and causes that family member to feel fear for the safety or well-being of that family member or another person. Family violence includes behaviour that causes a child to hear or witness or otherwise be exposed to the effects of these behaviours. Obviously, you're prohibited from intentionally damaging any property of the protected person or threatening to do so. Attempt to locate, follow the protected person or keep him or her under surveillance. Publish on the internet by email or other electronic communication any material about the protected person. Contact or communicate with the protected person by any means. Go to or remain within 200 metres of any place where a protected person lives, works or attends school / childcare. Get another person to do anything the respondent must not do under this order. The respondent may do anything that is permitted by a Family Law Act order, a child protection order or a written agreement about child arrangements, or negotiate child arrangements by letter, email or text message, or communicate with a protected person through a lawyer or mediator, or arrange and or participate in counselling or mediation, or go to the home of a protected person in the company of a police officer or a person chosen by the applicant to collect personal property, but only if the respondent does not commit family violence while doing so. Approach or remain within 10 metres of a protected person. And this order expires at midnight on the 12th of April 2023. Alrighty.
Okay, you're happy that you've served that on that entity?
Yes.
Great, thank you.
Right, appreciate your time.
Cheers, mate.